What's up, everybody? Thought I'd share a video of my kill cable I installed on my 95 Dodge 12 valve. As you can see, it's a very simple setup. It's the cable itself I bought on eBay for $17, and then this mount came from Northern Tool. It was $5. I'll include the link to both of those where you can buy them. And then all I did was run my cable through my firewall. I had to drill a hole all the way through. There's like a plastic liner there that you have to go through as well. And then you'll just feed your cable through. And then I'll show you all the underneath the hood and into the engine bay. You can see the cable runs right by your fuel filter. And then I'll run down through here to get to where it's mounted. All you have to do is take this mount off where your fuel solenoid mounts to. Take that off, you won't need it. And then your cable runs through. You'll replace your 2 bolts that were holding the solenoid mount on. You'll replace those, and then you'll run your cable directly through those, and it will sandwich it. You can see it runs right behind that flange there, and then you just tighten your bolts down, and that's what holds it in place. And then you can adjust it to wherever you need on your pull out. This cable came 6 feet in length, so I had to cut it down quite a bit because there's not a whole lot of room there for, I think it's only 3 feet total in length now. I'll give you all a explanation how it works here. Pretty simple. Alright, as you can see, nothing happens when I turn my key off. And then, simple as that, guys.